Creamy chicken pasta salad. Boil 4 quarts of water. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, ensuring the pot is large enough to hold the water and the pasta. Stir it for the first minute or two to preventing sticking. Cook noodles 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse pasta with cold water. Rinsing with cold water removes natural starches that help sauces adhere to the noodles. Drain well. 2 stalks celery. Slice the strip into small uniform pieces. Here are all the ingredients. 2.5 cup macaroni pasta. 1/2 cup diced onions. 3/4 cup mayonnaise. 3/4 cup sour cream, diced celery. Next, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 and 1/2 Dijon mustard, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon sugar, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Combine the ingredients until they are fully integrated. 2 cups shredded cooked chicken. This is an old school chicken pasta salad that comes with a creamy mayonnaise-based dressing. What I really like is tastes good and moist. The dressing is made with a 50-50 combination of both mayonnaise and sour cream.